If your pothos could grow so fast that it completely transforms your room in just a few months, most people think pothos is just a slow, easy houseplant. But the truth is, this tropical vine can grow incredibly fast indoors when you give it the right care. If your pothos has tiny leaves, weak vines, or barely any new growth, you might be making a few common mistakes without even realizing it. The good news is that fixing them is surprisingly easy. In this video, you'll discover the exact methods plant lovers use to speed up pothos growth, create fuller vines, and grow giant healthy leaves indoors. From lighting tricks to watering secrets and simple pruning hacks, these tips can completely change the way your pothos grows. Stay until the end, because one small change could double your plant's growth rate faster than you expect. Let's turn your pothos into a beautiful indoor jungle masterpiece. Number 1. Give your pothos bright indirect light. If you want your pothos to grow faster indoors, lighting should be your first priority. Many people place pothos in dark corners because the plant can survive low light, but survival does not mean thriving. In dim spaces, pothos grows slowly, produces smaller leaves, and develops long, empty vines. Bright, indirect light gives the plant the energy it needs to create lush growth and fuller foliage. Place your pothos near an east-facing window or a few feet away from a bright south-facing window where sunlight is filtered. Avoid harsh direct afternoon sun because it can scorch the leaves and cause stress. If your home lacks natural light, a simple LED grow light can dramatically improve growth speed. Keep the light on for around 10 to 12 hours daily for best results. Strong lighting encourages bigger leaves, healthier vines, and faster overall growth, making your pothos look vibrant and beautiful indoors. Number 2, water properly without overwatering. One of the biggest mistakes pothos owners make is overwatering their plant. Too much water keeps the soil soggy, suffocates the roots, and slows down growth dramatically. Pothos likes slightly moist soil, but it never wants to sit in water for long periods. The best way to water is to wait until the top 1 or 2 inches of soil feels dry before watering again. You can test this easily by sticking your finger into the soil. When watering, soak the soil thoroughly until water drains out from the bottom of the pot. Always empty excess water from the saucer underneath because standing water can cause root rot. During warm growing months, your pothos may need more frequent watering, while cooler seasons require less. Healthy roots absorb nutrients efficiently and help the plant focus its energy on producing longer vines and larger leaves instead of fighting stress caused by overwatering or root damage. Number 3. Use loose and well-draining soil. Healthy soil plays a huge role in how quickly pothos grows indoors. Heavy compacted soil traps too much water and prevents oxygen from reaching the roots, which can slow growth and damage the plant over time. Pothos prefers loose, airy, well-draining soil that allows roots to breathe while still holding enough moisture. A great mix usually contains indoor potting soil combined with perlite, coco coir, or orchid bark for extra airflow. This type of soil encourages stronger root development and healthier vines. If your current soil stays wet for several days after watering, it may be too dense for proper growth. Repotting into a lighter mix can quickly improve the health of your plant. Good soil also helps nutrients travel more efficiently to the roots, giving pothos the fuel it needs to produce bigger leaves and faster growth. Strong roots always create stronger, healthier indoor plants that grow more vigorously. Number 4. Feed your pothos regularly. Even though pothos is known as a low-maintenance plant, it still needs nutrients to grow quickly and stay healthy indoors. Over time, the nutrients in potting soil become depleted, especially if the plant has been in the same container for many months. Feeding your pothos with a balanced liquid houseplant fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during spring and summer can make a huge difference in growth speed. Fertilizer provides essential nutrients that support leaf production, vine growth, and stronger roots. You may notice brighter leaves, thicker stems, and much faster trailing vines after regular feeding. However, it is important not to over-fertilize because too much fertilizer can burn the roots and damage the plant. Always follow the recommended dilution instructions. Organic options like worm castings or compost tea are also excellent choices for gentle feeding. A well-fed pothos grows fuller, healthier, and much faster indoors throughout the growing season. Number 5. Keep temperatures warm and humid. Because pothos is a tropical plant, Warm temperatures help it grow much faster indoors. The ideal temperature range for healthy growth is between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Cold drafts from air conditioners, open windows, or fans can stress the plant and slow down growth significantly. Sudden temperature changes may even cause leaves to turn yellow or fall off. Keeping your pothos in a warm and stable environment helps the plant continuously produce fresh leaves and longer vines. Humidity also plays an important role. While pothos can survive average indoor humidity, slightly higher humidity encourages larger leaves and healthier foliage. You can increase humidity by grouping plants together, using a humidifier, or placing a pebble tray filled with water beneath the pot. Warmth and humidity work together to recreate the tropical environment pothos naturally loves. When conditions feel tropical indoors, your pothos often responds with faster growth and more vibrant leaves. Number 6. Prune your pothos for fuller growth. Pruning may seem scary at first, but it is actually one of the best ways to make pothos grow faster and look fuller indoors. Over time, pothos vines can become long, thin, and sparse with large gaps between leaves. Trimming the vines encourages the plant to produce multiple new shoots instead of one long stem. This creates a bushier and healthier appearance. Always cut just above a leaf node because new growth usually emerges from that point. Regular pruning helps redirect the plant's energy into stronger growth and fuller foliage. It also removes damaged or yellowing leaves that waste valuable nutrients. An added bonus is that every cutting can become a brand new pothos plant through water propagation. Many plant lovers use pruning to create thicker hanging baskets with lush trailing vines. With consistent trimming and care, your pothos can transform from a weak-looking vine into a dense indoor jungle centerpiece. Number 7. Repot. When the plant becomes root-bound. If your pothos suddenly stops growing, becomes droopy quickly after watering, or dries out unusually fast, the roots may be overcrowded inside the pot. When pothos becomes root-bound, the roots wrap tightly around each other and struggle to absorb enough water and nutrients. This limits growth and prevents the plant from reaching its full potential. Repotting gives the roots more space to expand and access fresh nutrients from new soil. Choose a pot that is only 1 or 2 inches larger than the current one, because oversized pots can stay wet too long and increase the risk of root rot. Fresh soil also improves drainage and oxygen flow around the roots. After repotting, many pothos plants experience a burst of rapid new growth within a few weeks. Repotting every 1 to 2 years keeps your pothos healthy, vigorous, and continuously growing into a lush and beautiful indoor trailing plant. Now you know the secrets to growing pothos faster indoors and turning a simple houseplant into a lush green masterpiece. The key is giving your pothos the perfect balance of bright, indirect light, proper watering, healthy soil, regular feeding, warmth, humidity, pruning, and enough room for the roots to grow. Even small changes in your plant care routine can create dramatic results over time. Soon, you could have longer vines, larger leaves, and fuller growth that completely transforms your living space into an indoor jungle. The best part is that pothos is incredibly forgiving, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced plant lovers. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your pothos growing results in the comments below. Your dream indoor jungle may be closer than you think, and your pothos is ready to grow faster than ever before.